Hey friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shawi, and to this class we are going to be solving questions under indices using what we call conditional laws of indices. But before we proceed, please, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the red subscription button below this video. Share this video to your friends, share it on social media platforms, WhatsApp groups, Instagram, Facebook, and the likes. I want everybody, most especially students writing waec, to enjoy this video. Now, here we are going to be solving, like I said, two questions based on conditional laws of indices. We have two conditional laws of indices. We have the first one: if our a raised to power x equals b raised to power x, then our a will be equals to b. What is the meaning of this? It means if I have the same power but different base, once the powers are the same and we have different base, what are we going to do? You just equate the different bases. So we are saying once we have the same power, we equate the base. The second one, if a raised to power s equals a raised to power y, then s equals to y. This one implies that once the base are the same, this is a, we equate the power. So we have x equals to y. Class, we said the two laws are these: if the powers are the same, we equate the different bases, and if the base are the same, we equate the different powers. So we are saying either we equate the bases or we equate the powers under conditional laws of indices. So let's apply this formula to solve question number 1. From here, we are asked to find x if 25 raised to power x minus 1 equals 64, open bracket 5 over 2 raised to power 6. Now, our major concern under indices when solving question is to make sure that the whole number given is expressed in index form. An expression is said to be in index form if it has what we call the base and the power. So if I have something like this, a raised to power x, this is the base and this is the power. This one can be called power, it can be called the index, and it can also be called the exponent. So we are saying anytime we see any expression in mathematics that has a base and a power, that expression is termed an index what? Expression. So from here, this is an index expression, so we must break it down. This is whole number, we break it down to be what now? In form of what now? Indices. So from here, 25 is same as saying 5 raised to the power of what? Of 2, open bracket x minus 1 equals to 64. Is the same thing as saying 2 raised to the power of 6. So here we have 2 raised to the power of 6, open bracket 5 all over 2 raised to the power of what? Of 6. Now, class, there's a law under indices that says if I have ab raised to the power of what? Of x, it's same as saying this x will affect both a and b. If I open this bracket, we'll be having a raised to the power x, then b raised to the power of what? Of x. What's the meaning of this equality sign? It means if this one is going like this one can come back to this what now? Expression. Take note, if I have something like this in the question, I can simplify it to this. Likewise, if I have something like this in the question, I can simplify it back to this. So here, if you look at this thing critically, you will see that this one is very similar to this. So I have 2 raised to the power 6 raised to the power x, 5 over 2 raised to the power 6 raised to the power x. So here, our a is in form of what now? 2, and our b is in form of what now? 5 all over 6. Class, by default, if I have ab by default, it means a times b for letters. If I have ab by default in mathematics means a times b. So we are saying this portion here is same as saying what? 2 raised to the power 6 times 5 all over 2, everything raised to the power what now? Of 6. So here we have 5. We open this bracket, we have to be very careful. We are using these 2 to multiply each of these elements here. So 2 times 7 will give us 2x, 2 times minus 1 will give us minus 2. So I'll apply the law here. So it means I'll have what? 2 times 5 all over 2, everything raised to the power of what? Of 6. So here we have 5, 2x minus what? Minus 2. So what happened? These 2 will cancel out these 2. We'll now be having 5 raised to the power 2x minus 2 equals to 5 raised to power what 6, because we'll be left with only 5 here. These two will have cancelled these two out, so we have 5 raised to power what of 6. Now look at this part. Now this part is now similar to one of the laws that we have there. Here we have the same what now base but different powers, and the law says once you have the same base and different power, what are you going to do? We equate the power. So here we now be having 2x plus 2 equals to what? Equals to 6. To correct like terms, we have 2x to be equals to 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 will give us what? 8. Then we have 2x equals to 8. Make s of formula. We have s equals to 8 all over 2, and 8 all over 2 will give us 4. So the correct answer to this question is 4, which is option B. Okay. Now let's go to question number 2. Here we have find x if 5 raised to power x plus 1 plus 5 raised to power x equals to 150. And we are given the option. We are given 3, we are given 4, we are given 1, and we are given 2. So from here I can rewrite. So here we will be having 5 raised to power x times 5 raised to power 1 plus 5 raised to power x equals to 150. Now class, how do I have this? Now from the first law of indices, if I have a raised to power x multiplied by a raised to power y, our answer will be equals to a raised to power what? X plus y. Now I said from this explanation that if I have this to give us this one can come back to give us what? To give us this. You have to be very careful in the question. Here I have the same power, different base. We have different bases here, and we have multiplication in between. What are we going to do? We take one of the powers, we take one of the base, and we add their power. So here we are taking a, which is the base that are similar, and we add s to y. So here I have 5 raised to power x plus 1. So this 5 raised to power x can be broken down to what? 5 raised to power x multiplied by 5 raised to power 1. Because if I combine this, I'll be having 5 raised to power s plus 1. Okay. So here 5 raised to power x and 5 raised to power s is common. If I bring 5 raised to power x out, I'll be left with what here? 5 plus 1 equals to 150. Okay, because 5 raised to power x times 5 will give us 5 raised to power x times 5, then plus 5 raised to power x times 1 will give us 5 raised to power 1. Okay, so here we have 5 raised to power x bracket 6 equals to what? 150. So the first thing we divide both sides by what? By 6. So we now be having 5 raised to power x 6 all over 6 equals 150 all over what? All over 6. This 6 will cancel out this 6. Now we left with what? 5 raised to power x equals, now 5 here, 6 here, 1, 6 in 15. That will give us what? 2. Then remainder what now? Remainder 3. 6 in 30 will give us what now? 5. So we are saying 150 divided by 6 will give us 25. Now if you check this one very well, this 25 can further be broken down to 5 raised to power 2. So you have 5 raised to power x equals to 5 raised to power what? 5 raised to power 2. Now I will apply the second law because we have the same base of 5 and 5. What are we going to do? We equate the power. So here it means our x will be equals to 2. So the correct answer to this question is D, which is question number 2. Option D, which is 2. Now class, if you want to see more of solid ways of solving mathematical expressions, I want you to comment in the box below by saying, shall we? If you want more questions, more explanations, solid explanation to questions like this, I want us to comment in the box below by saying, shall we? And let me know the area of mathematics you want me to simplify. I will see you in the next class. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the red subscription button down below this video. I will see you in the next class. Thank you.